Hello and welcome to another MCO market update on SUI. The SUI chart has reacted to the previously communicated nano support area. So we want to talk a little bit about that. We're still pushing a little bit higher, further into that blue target zone, and we are within a broader resistance zone, which is defined between $3.48 and $4.21. So far, there is no sign at all that a substantial top has formed. There isn't even a sign for a local top. I mean, that wave 4 has started, yeah, because we haven't even broken below our nano support zone. If you watched previous videos, yeah, then you know that this area, which is now between $3.32 and $3.45, needed to be broken to the downside for a first indication that this fourth wave pullback has actually started. At the moment, the idea is that we are still in a third wave extension, especially with a break above the Friday high and with nano support holding. But let's talk about that, one step at a time. Currently, I'm watching for the development of a 5-wave move to the upside, which might then set the stage for a wave 2 pullback if things go really well. For now, however, we don't even need to think about a wave 2 correction. Yeah, that's still far out. We haven't even completed all 5 waves to the upside. And depending on how high we go, we might never see a wave 2 because it might complete the entire larger degree 5th wave, which started down here around the 7th of April in one go. So that means, if this just continues higher, and that's why we're tracking support, because as long as support is holding, the trend is up. That this could just morph into the larger structure. It doesn't need another wave 1 and another wave 2 and then another third wave. This could literally be, this could literally be all of the wave 5. But again, until I see further evidence for that, I would prefer 5 waves up in wave 1 and then we'll track the wave 2 afterwards. For now, we are still moving up in a third wave, probably. So this is currently a 3-wave move up from the April low. 1, 2, 3. It still needs a 4-5 pattern for a 5-wave move. Does it mean the 4th wave has to happen now? No, but it is due. But because I'm not, able to formally confirm that this 4th wave has started until we really enter that lower support area and break below upper nano support, it still seems like we're currently working on the 3rd wave still. So another push higher, yeah. And all we need to do at this point is adjust support. So there are these 2 support areas in case you're confused. The nano support at $3.32 is there as a threshold for us to keep the direct uptrend alive within a still unfolding 3rd wave. It takes a break below this upper nano support to suggest wave 4 has started. And wave 4 would be an ABC structure. So, technically it's possible that the 3rd wave already topped and is just an overshooting B wave. That does happen quite frequently in crypto, especially when the market is bullish, which it is clearly at the moment. But either way, whatever this is just up and down volatile movements. There's no, nothing major happened basically since Friday, right? We have a bit of a move down, bit of a move up, 3 down, 3 up, as I call it. So, yeah, no situation, no change to the situation. But the only thing that I have changed, but only by a few cents, are the support levels. So I would say very simply that upside trend continuation support is between $2.79 and $3.32. That's really the main support area we need to watch. And overall, I would prefer that this wave 4 also takes like 3 days like the wave 2 did. Yeah, this wave 4 could also take like 3 days maybe before it's completed, and then wave 5 could start from there. That's how we're tracking at the moment the SUI chart. Obviously, I think needless to say, should we lose support, should the market break below $2.79, a more bearish interpretation is required, and it would suggest that, for example, the white B wave has formed the top. But that's not expected at the moment, so that the white count is not preferred until we actually break support. So I would just see this as choppy price action, maybe one more high. Yeah, there is no sign. If you, again, I said that if you're really interested in the nano structure and trade that, you can use the nano support area. For those who are more interested in swing trades, I think the 279 level provides key support for you guys. That's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.